What up, y'all? It's your boy Scoob, and welcome to another episode of Item Crash Diecast. Yeah, I ordered this last week. This is my Maserati MC20 from BBR Models. You hadn't heard of BBR Models? It's like these real high quality castings. Mostly, of the imports, exotics. Had to pick one of these up. If that's your thing, imports, exotics, whatever, then this is it right here. You will be very pleased. But anyway, I had this yesterday come in the mail. But, I had so much going on, around here, like I usually do. People wanting too much of my time. And then, and of course, my mom, everything. But anyway, enough of that. Let's get cracking. But anyway, I had this open already. Already opened it. Took the plastic off of it. But anyway, another reason why I wanted to put it back in here is because I wanted to show everybody, whoever buys one of these, the procedures one must undertake to open this up. So anyway, again, let's get cracking on it. So yeah, it's got all this nice plastic in here, keep the car safe and sound. But like I was saying, there's a certain technique that you gotta do to get these open. Like I did right there, just shove it right down out of there. Y'all know what I'm saying. It's real high quality packaging. These were like around $30, give or take. But one look at these nice little once over will let you know that it was worth it, worth every penny. So anyway, let's get this on up out of here. I believe pretty nice packaging, by the way. Why am I talking so much about the packaging? I don't know. But anyway, this is a very sharp looking car. Love the paint on here. It's got a little bit of, if you look closely, it's got a little bit of a blue tint. That is beautiful. That is absolutely gorgeous. And I like these wheels on here too. They did a great job on these wheels. You see a little bit of carbon fiber down here on the rockers, under the doors. More carbon fiber with the Maserati logo, Maserati script in the middle. Yeah, get a load of them tail lights too. Very nice job. And then there's the front with the trident. I don't know how well that's gonna come up, but it is what it is. You'll see one. You'll see it a lot better in person. Whoever buys one. More carbon fiber on the chin spoiler. Yeah, there's a better angle of that trident. And then there's the badge on the front. Wow, that's probably one of the nicest looking badges on a 1/64th scale car that I've seen so far. It's got that nice little that chromed out trim on the around it. Usually it'd just be straight up silver, but thankfully they went the extra mile to give us something a little bit more special. So yeah, it's very nice. It has, yeah, even more carbon fiber right there on the dash, right in front of the steering wheel. And if you look carefully enough, there's actually some blue tint, some blue inserts in them seats. Yeah, that was a neat touch. It's a very dark blue. You can't really see it that well, but it is there. Yeah, I'm digging this already. Oh yeah, if you hadn't had enough carbon fiber, there's some on the engine right there. Right there. Smack dab in the middle. Again, not a very good viewpoint or perspective, but it's there. There we go. So yeah, oh yeah, another thing, you want to be careful with these mirrors. They're like inserts, like plastic inserts. They'll break if they have a, I'm sure they'll break if they have a pretty nasty enough fall, but you know, they're in there pretty solid at least. So yeah, this is nice. The only thing that I will say about BBR is the same complaints most people have about the Mini GT models. They don't they don't cast in the well, or at least print out the names of the cars on the bottom like they should. Why not? If you're gonna spend $30 on a little car, then why not go the extra mile and put the name on the bottom of the car? But anyway, maybe I'm making too much sense. But that doesn't detract from how amazing and spectacular this casting is. BBR, they did a really good job. You still gotta tip your hats off to them. In fact, I want to bring this up real quick. I actually wanted to buy both the white one and the black one together, but since I wanted that Ferrari so bad, that 488 from Tarmac Works, I just said I'll get this white Maserati MC20 and then that Ferrari 488 together. I'll probably get the black MC20 some other time, maybe even this month. Hopefully, that's exactly what I'll end up doing anyway. Since if anybody who don't follow me don't know, I'm a huge Maserati guy. I'd say that's probably my second favorite car manufacturer after Ferrari. Ferrari's number one for me. Maserati is a very close second. To me, anyway. But yeah, another good look at the box. If you want one, is BBR Models. I bought mine off of eBay, but you could pre-order yours. Ain't no sense pre-ordering yours now since they already out. Just it's either one or two things: either cough up the bucks, fork up the cash, or not. But anyway, it's your decision. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I really do appreciate it. I'm out, y'all. And let's take one last good look at this. Yeah, this paint is really nice. Y'all should get one. If you want to splurge a little bit. But anyway, I'm out.